One of the biggest obstacles to quality thinking is a sentence we hear far too often. We've always done it this way. It sounds harmless, but it quietly stops progress. Innovation slows, improvement stops, and problems remain unsolved. Thinking differently means we stop accepting routine. We question old methods, not to blame, but to build a better future. The goal isn't to disrespect what works. It's to stay open to what could work better. So how do we challenge this mindset positively? We start with questions, not criticism. What purpose does this process serve? If we designed it today, would we do it the same way? Is this still the best solution for our customers, our people, or our goals? Small changes matter too. Improvement doesn't always need big budgets or new systems. Sometimes it's a faster form, clearer instruction, smarter checklist, or simpler approval flow. When people feel safe to speak up, real improvements begin. Blame kills innovation. Curiosity creates it. In the next video, we'll look at how innovation and technology, especially AI, can support quality rather than replace it. Many fear technology will eliminate roles, but it can amplify the value of quality professionals if we think differently.